Hey everyone, welcome back to Photoshop on iPad Masterclass. You have got the app installed, you are signed in, and now time to get comfortable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Photoshop iPad Workspace, what is what, where things live, and how to navigate with confidence. Once you understand the layout, everything you do, whether it's editing photos, sketching, or making graphics, will feel way faster and way less confusing. Think of this like your guided map to Photoshop on iPad. When you open Photoshop on iPad, you land on the home screen. Up top, you will see your recent files, easy to jump back into work. Create new, start a fresh document, import and open, great for pulling in photos or PSDs from files, camera roll or cloud storage. Then you have learned Adobe built-in tutorial and inspiration, not a bad place to explore when you are just starting out. Once you open or create a file, the screen changes to your main canvas. Here is the layout, the center is your artwork, that's where the magic happens. The left side holds the toolbar, brushes, selection tools, erasers, type tool and more. The right side shows you layer panel where you manage everything you build. Photoshop iPad is built for touch, so gestures matter. Pinch to zoom, just like photos. 2-finger tap for undo, 3-finger tap for redo. Press and hold on a tool, see hidden variations. These gestures save you from constant tapping menus, and once you get used to them, you will fly through edits. There are a few spots people miss early on. The gear icon at the top opens app settings, adjust interface, pencil input, performance. The help icon, quick access to tutorials and shortcuts. The cloud icon shows sync status so you always know if your work is backed up. Let's do a quick test. Create a new document, add a new layer, select the brush tool, make a quick mark, tap the 2-finger undo gesture. If all that works smoothly, congrats. That's your tour for Photoshop iPad Workspace. You now know where everything lives and how to move around like a pro. In the next video, we will learn Apple Pencil tricks and touch gestures that will make your workflow smoother and faster. If this helped, give this video a like, subscribe, and let's keep this creative journey going.